Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your KuCoin account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the login button at the homepage and proceed forward with your email address and your password or your Telegram account. Once you are logged in and taken back into the homepage, if you wish to delete your account, tap on your user ID at the top left corner. From this page, tap on Security, and now within the Security section, you will see the Delete Account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be told that this process is irreversible. So you will need to make sure that you withdraw all of your funds before you proceed forward. Tap on the I fully understand and accept the consequences option, and then tap on Delete Account. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email or your phone. Proceed forward with checking your SMS or your email, and once you provide this verification, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out from your account right away. You will still have about 3 weeks, by which if you don't log back in, your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to delete your account on KuCoin. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.